Good morning, everybody. It's Tuesday, July the 31st. My name is Sarah Louise, and you're watching Axiory's news broadcast. As usual, let's begin with the technical analysis of the euro-dollar. Price was able to rise above daily pivot and now is approaching resistance R1. And if it will have enough momentum, it could break above this level and approach resistance R2. However, we are expecting price could be limited at first resistance and consolidation could be in favor. Based on the conclusions for each indicator and chart analysis, we are expecting a bullish trend today. Now let's move on to another currency pair, the dollar-yen analysis. Price rebounding from support is one, but we are expecting that it will be limited by daily pivot and consolidation will be in favor. The sustained rise above daily pivot will be indicating target at resistance R1. However, fall below support will open way towards next objective at S2 support. The conclusion made by Axiory's chosen indicators shows a bearish trend today. After that, we have the sterling dollar's outlook. Price was able to break above daily pivot and target is now at R1 resistance, where further rise could be limited. After forming new high, if price declines, it will be sign of a sideways movement which will be limited by S1 support from below. The summary of our indicators shows a bullish trend today. Our last technical analysis is about the dollar-franc pair. After decline below daily pivot, price is heading towards support S1. Further fall towards next objective at S2 support hasn't been excluded yet. But if price rebounds from first support, it will be suggesting that correction is complete and upward movement could continue. The vast majority of our indicators and chart analysis for the dollar-franc show a bearish trend today. Today's first news is going to be published at 8:55 a.m. GMT, and it will concern about German unemployment change, which is expected to continue in increase from previous 7,000 to 9,000 people. This news will have a medium impact on the euro. Next news is about unemployment rate in Eurozone released by Eurostat at 10 a.m. GMT. Analysts are expecting slight increase from 11.1 to 11.2%. This news will have a medium impact on the euro. At 1:30 p.m. GMT, we start with first U.S. news. Bureau of Economic Analysis will release statistics about personal spending in the United States. We can expect increase by 0.1% compared to previous stagnation. Next news will be published at 2:45 p.m. GMT when MNI will report Chicago PMI. In a previous month, index reached 52.9 points compared to expected slight decline to 52.6 points. These figures are still indicating economic expansion. Both news will have a medium impact on the dollar. Last U.S. news will be released at 3 p.m. GMT. The Conference Board is going to publish data about consumer confidence. Small decline is expected from 62.0 to 61.5 points, and it will have a high impact on the dollar. We almost reached the end of our broadcast. You can now see on your screen 3 tables showing you the best traders and their trading strategies on Axiory. GMC is holding at first place with 654.7 pips, followed by APS GTS1, which moved from third place to second place on Mirror Trader board with 507.0 pips. Teo fell and ended at third position with 171.1 pips. India Rose is still at first place with multi-trader and increased by 0.25% from yesterday, while Low Risk Invest remained unchanged. FX Multiplier on the third place has risen by 0.35% in a monthly gain. If we look at trade leader strategies, there was no movement up or down in any of first 3 strategies, and LW trading still remains at first place. And on this date in 1992, Georgia joined the United Nations. Thanks for watching Axiory's news broadcast. Have a profitable day and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye!